Fourth, but not the least, is that it is my personal advice that till you complete your family, don't go for your property or oral contraceptive pills for the contraception. It has been found in the research that oral contraceptive pills, they delay the cycles, they delay the return of the ovulation, and if you take for the long time, they can cause the breast cancer. It's very well known fact. Similarly, with the copper T, if the thread remains in the vagina, because of which the infection, vaginal infections can occur, and these infections then can go higher up and cause the pelvic inflammatory disease and also can cause the blockage of the tubes. I have over the years observed that those who take the pills for a longer time, or those who have used copper T as in contraception before getting pregnant, they have got more difficulty in getting conceived later on.